So I'm going to be 55 years old next week, folks. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You know what they say, 30's the new 20. Turns out that 50 is the new F word. And you start thinking about things you didn't think about when you're in your 20s. You think about death and how you're going to die. Anyone think about that? Oh my God, that'll keep you up at night. I want to die like my grandfather, because my grandfather just fell asleep and didn't wake up. Not screaming and yelling like the passengers in his car at the time. And then I heard about this woman. She was in a coma for 30 years and she woke up. Could you imagine? I told my husband, I said, if I ever slip into a coma, no matter what, don't take me off of Botox. Serious. And I want my roots done every 6 weeks. Can we make this clear? Some maintenance involved, right, ladies? Guys don't understand what we have to go through. They don't know. What does a guy have to do to look good? He just needs to wake up in the morning and have money. Really. That hairy back and that pot belly look good when they got the bucks. Women have to spend it. And the older we get, the more we have to spend. Do I hear an amen? Do I hear an amen? Amen. I've had plastic surgery, Botox. I recently had my lips done. Although you can't tell because I'm wearing pants. No, really, if I smile, I get a camel toe. I didn't know this was going to happen to my body. Nobody tells you what happens when you get old. You get the age spots and the sagging skin and the wrinkles. If I would have known that this was going to happen to me when I was 20, I would have let a lot more people see me naked. I'm telling you, I found something between my breasts I didn't have when I was 18. My belly button. I think that might be my next procedure, because they do that. Really. I went to the doctor. He said, Cindy, if you can hold a pencil underneath your breast, you're a candidate for the surgery. I said, Doc, I can hold your laptop computer. Really. The clipboard and a couple staplers. We could put stuff there. We can. It's sad. I went out ladies' night out. We got any girls' ladies' night out tonight? Yeah? Woo! Oh, it was fun. I thought I looked good, too. I went to the club, and I felt so hot. I felt like I looked so good. And I noticed that all the young guys, the good-looking guys, were checking out the young girls, right? Except for this one old creepy guy. He was liking me. And he was that disgusting kind of creepy guy, and the worst thing about him is I was just glad he was looking. So sad. So pathetic, it really is. Comes right up to me, he goes, hey, you're smoking hot. You got a daughter? Really? Because I used to be pretty smoking hot. I'd run around in hot pants all summer. Hey, guys, you can look, but don't touch. I'm at an age now where I'm like, you can touch, but don't look. I try not to be angry. I try to age gracefully. I watch a lot of Oprah because I love her. She's so positive. But I think she's out of touch with reality because I read in Forbes magazine that she made $350 million last year. And then she's on her show talking about the financial crisis in America. Yeah, and she goes, I understand what the American people are going through. I don't. She goes, when I was a little girl, I was so poor I couldn't afford to be a brownie because I couldn't buy that uniform. Do you remember the uniform, ladies? That ugly button-down brown dress we had to wear with a military sash and a little yarmulke-like beanie? We looked like little Jewish UPS drivers. To be insensitive to Oprah, but she has no clue. She has a show about anti-aging and women going through the change, so I want to watch that one, right? And she goes, as women, we need to celebrate the changes our bodies go through. Celebrate. Have a party. I've read all the literature from Dr. Oz. Okay, we've got irritability. We have loss of bladder control. Oh, and my favorite one. Oh, you're going to love this one. Guys love this one. Dryness. I just hate to think that I'm at the point in my life where the only time I'm going to get moist is if I sneeze and pee my pants. Fantastic. Suzanne Summers. Do you remember Suzanne Summers with the ponytails, the thigh mask? Remember her? Now she wrote a book about bio-identical hormone cream, okay? It's testosterone and estrogen. You rub it on your body and it creates the fountain of youth. And it increases your libido. And I got to tell you, I tried it, and after 90 days, I was quite amorous. And I grew a mustache and a goatee. But you can't tell because I'm wearing pants. Thank you very much, you guys.